Let's try looking at this poem. It's titled Eating While Reading. What is better than this book and the turn of candy in your mouth, or the balloon of bubblegum, or the crack of sunflower seeds, or the swig of soda, or the twist of beef jerky, or the slow slither of snow cone syrup running down your arms? Okay, so we're going to look over here at number 1. It says read lines 9 through 10, or the slow slither of snow cone syrup. So these lines are an example of which poetic device. So what type of figurative language is the slow slither of snow cone syrup? I see here we have two words that start with the letter S, and then we also have 2 other S words here. So that is alliteration. And then we also have personification, because snow cone syrup slithering is a quality. Slithering is a quality of something that is alive. And we know the snow cones are not alive. Read lines 14 through 16. And this book that pulls you in, it yells, "Over here!" So those lines we don't have here. This is a continuation of this poem. So this is an example of which poetic device? So a book pulling you in and yelling. Is that a metaphor, a simile, alliteration, or personification? We know that a metaphor is saying that one thing is another. So we're comparing 2 things by saying one is the other. A simile is when we're comparing 2 things by using like or as. An alliteration is where we have multiple words in a row that start with the same letter and sound. And personification is when we're giving human-like qualities to something that is not alive. We know that a book is not alive. It can't yell, it can't pull. So that would be personification. If you were writing Eating While Reading, which foods would you include and why? So I want you to name at least 3 foods and tell me why you would include them in this poem. I'm going to give you 5 minutes to type in your answers for the ones that we've gone over, and to move your circle over to your answer, and then to type your answer into this box.